So here is my advice of today for independent tourers. We all are using the Sat-Navs nowadays when we are touring. The problem is where are we gonna put the Sat-Nav if it's not already there when the bike is coming out of the factory? It's all very cramped here. It's difficult. The market is they're selling some arms that you can put on your bar, and they're all not very practical. In my opinion, the best system is actually this one here that I am going to show you. You put your Sat-Nav here on your windscreen. How do you put it there? What did I use? I will show you here. This is actually the attachment of the Midland Bluetooth. So basically this is the accessory that you can use. Is the one that normally goes on the helmet. Yeah. So this one here, yeah, basically goes on your windscreen like this. Then you close the screws that are on top here. As you noticed, I then have put a little screw in a bolt. Where are we? A little screw and a bolt at the back here, and I've attached the part of the TomTom, in this case, that goes here like this. So once you've done all that, it's obviously very simple to then take your TomTom and put it there like this, and obviously your cable that would go in here and inside your TomTom. The road, so all the rest is there already. The good advice is the accessory of the Midland Bluetooth, the BT2. This one is the one that I've used for it. That's it. I'll make sure I've got another good advice for you tomorrow as well. Ciao ciao.